Better modern clock for KDE, a better version created by me. To install it, follow the steps. Enter edit mode, add or manage widgets, get new, download new plasma widgets, search for better modern clock, then download the version by Prisp. After the download is done, close this window. Go to add or manage widgets again and drag the clock. Then resize it. In addition to the original, it has got some new features. You can click on configure to see them. For instance, you can add or remove the outline. You can even change the time format. There we go. You can also enable or disable shadows. There we are. You can also change the color of the outline. You can even change the font color. And the font itself. Other than that, the font size is adaptive. Unlike the original, it will change the size of the font when encountering different days of the week, rather than changing the size of the tile. There we are. Further details will be in the description of this video.